my god, we have to study so much this week.
Yeah, it's true. We don't have any free time at all.
It's Friday, we should go somewhere tonight.
Yeah, we don't go anywhere anymore because of these stupid test papers we have all the time. Let's go out for a change.
Here's the thing, nothing's happening here anyway.
Jesus, this school is so boring. We don't have any free time activities. Hey guys, what are you doing?
Hey, just studying and talking about how busy we are.
Yeah, we don't go anywhere because of all these classes and tests we have. So we were thinking about going out this eve, but we realized nothing's happening anywhere.
So probably we will stay at home again.
Yeah, studying.
Are you guys serious? There's always something going on at our school. Don't you remember? Follow me. I'll show you.
Something in her style that shows me.
Every December, sometime before Christmas, we decorate our school to make it cozier for teachers and students. We also play Christmas music during school breaks on the school radio. So Christmas spirit touches each and every one of us.
It's true.
You're asking me, will my love grow? I don't know. I don't know. You stick around now, it may show. I don't know. I don't know.
Do you remember the Christmas concert our school choir has every year?
Oh yeah, come here. It was one of the best. Our choir, it's really great. I think it has around 70 members and they have been singing together with our present music teacher for almost 9 years.
Yes, we really have excellent singers, talented. Hey, don't we have Ladina talent show as well?
Indeed, we do, and everyone can show their talent if they want to.
The brevists can show their talent on this show. We have very gifted musicians, athletes, acrobats, dancers and others. So it's an event which can make you famous. It can turn you into a star, not to mention the reward the winner gets each year.
Oh, I remember this one. It is the Battle of the Bands we organized every year in December, and it's great fun.
Albo sneg, mene krapno pozem sve. Robil jele, mino tlan, ne oglave dane
We went to see together. It was just a few weeks ago.
Oh yeah, and after a while my friends from other school join us, remember? It's a concert where every band can show their musical skills because this band join together our former and present students as well as those students from other schools in Ljubljana.
Look, this is something typical of our school, an overview of all important school events in the course of the year.
New Year's holidays.
And after the big event in the gym where all students, teachers and our headmaster gather, we exchange presents with our classmates and teachers.
Oh yeah, we always wish each other Merry Christmas, Happy New Year and great holidays.
Oh, here's our doors open day. We had it last week, didn't we?
Yes, we didn't have any classes that day. The people came to our school to be with us and to see our school routine as well as extracurricular activities.
I helped my chemistry teacher with the helium balloons, and I also made some delicious ice cream with the liquid nitrogen.
And some students baked muffins for other people to buy, and the money they raised was given to Ledina students in need.
There was also a healthy breakfast offered by the eco group of Ledina. There were bread, honey, jam, milk, coffee, and other tasty things.
Oh yeah, I remember that breakfast.
Mam rade četrtinke in jetrno pašteto, pa zmes za palačinke in sneg za novo leto. Imela mini krilo in štumfe na sandale, grem rada v vodo tam, kjer ježi so in skale. Čau, 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 ne boš me zapeljal, ne boš me zapeljal. Čau, 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 ne boš me zapeljal, ne boš me zapeljal. Vsak dan me kar zanese v tisto trgovino, vse plošče preposlušam, čeprav sem brez cekino. In ko me za trenutek ne gleda prav nihče, v žepu se pojavi najljubši moj CD.
And who organizes all these events? It's our students' community.
We should go out today. I'm fed up with learning for today.
Yeah, we could go to a club nearby.
Seriously, I've heard there's another concert at Ledina today. I think we should go there.
Really? Let's go then. We will have a great time, as always.
Awesome.
Let's go.
I told you it's gonna be great.
You were right. Our school rules.
I love Ledina. We can also do so many other things besides studying all day long.
We love Ledina!
She said to me,